Thank you for your interest in my active listing. Luxury living in Parkland's prestigious Miralago community. Former model home from the Executive Collection Crescent floor plan, 4-bed, 4-bath, and 2-car garage across nearly 3,000 square feet of professionally designed living space. Situated on Model Row, it combines elegance, comfort, and the best of resort-style living. Prime waterfront lot west/views from a deep, lush yard west/66 feet of water frontage and plenty of space to add your dream pool. Thousands invested in premium finishes throughout. Bright and spacious layout. Granite counters, natural gas stove and double ovens. Bedrooms are located upstairs. Miralago and Cascata together offer the finest amenities in Broward County: 2 pools, 2 gyms, tennis courts, playgrounds, and kids' water areas. An indoor basketball court, clubhouse, etc. A+ rated schools,